Okay, once you come up with a situation that you do pretty regularly, okay, starting amount and then the change, uh, your goal is to fill out this slide. Remember, when you're doing this on Google Slides, you just click on top of the area that you're going to type something, and then a text box should appear. And then you just type whatever it is you want to type. Okay, so let's just look at an example. Okay, for a person that really likes to eat potato chips. Okay, I have already eaten 30 potato chips. And my starting amount of stuff, 30 potato chips. And then I eat about 2 potato chips every second. Okay, so I'm sharing with the class that I really like potato chips. So it's just kind of silly, but just something that you may like to do. Maybe that's your favorite food. Okay, so in this particular example, the starting amount of stuff is that you've already eaten 30 potato chips. So I'm going to type 30. I'm just going to type in chips instead of potato chips. Okay. The change from that amount is that you're eating an additional 2 potato chips every second. Okay, so you just type that in. Eating an additional 2 chips every second. So the verb, sometimes that's like a verb phrase, but for this particular problem, it's just eat. I'm going to eat. And the change would be 2 chips every 1 second. So I'm going to type in 2 for the number. Chips for every 1 second. Okay, so my starting amount of stuff would be 30 chips, and my change is kind of how regularly I do this thing that I'm doing. In this problem, it's chips, eating potato chips. So my change would be eating 2 chips every 1 second. Okay, for a linear relationship, you don't necessarily have to start out with a positive amount of stuff, like 30 chips, because you could be in the negative. Okay, but please do just think about positive amounts. And also, to be linear, your change could be decreasing instead of increasing. We'll talk about that later in class. But for this example, please keep it as an increase. Okay, let me know if you have questions. This is the first time you've ever done anything like this. We're going to spend all year on this big topic. Okay, so just keep me posted. I want to help you.